Welcome to DJM TV.
My correct people, greet so that welcome now once again to DJM TV. My people, update will carry come from this time around. You joke, laugh say they cash you know this one. Oh, now you say Tinubu classmate don't show up. Classmates from Chicago Uni don't show up. Hey, this man not show up 20 years ago when he begin to drag Tinubu for certificates matter. Now this man show up. He give his name as wotowoto. Say the guy that go Chicago University. Say na in classmate. Say na accountancy. Na they read. Now TVC for this interview we do so. Now trust Arise now. Arise they don't react to this to this man claim so. They say make he call me then for Arise. Make he come do interview with them. Make the interview and one-on-one. Make he bring proof. So that they will really confirm whether na in a really classmate. Anyway, if I don't will talk too much, I want to upload on this video. Now watch on my rise. I now listen to how Rufai and his colleagues then they react to this man when he come outside. Rufai say just 10-15 minutes interview, the truth will come out. Make una watch this video and make una not forget to like and share. Nigeria cruise. Share this video.
Public affairs analyst Duro Jaye Ogunsoya was trending on Wednesday after he stated during a live television interview that he was a classmate of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu at the Chicago State University and graduated alongside the president from the Department of Accounting and Business Administration in 1979. Well, during the interview, Ogunsoya accused those disputing Tinubu's academic records of being mischievous because Tinubu was a governor for 8 years and would have had a university degree.
So we met in the school, Chicago State University, and we were in the same department, College of Accounting, Business and Administration, with a major in accounting.
Yes.
With major in accounting. And we were in the same class together, and we graduated. He did attend the university, Chicago State University, and he graduated in 1979.
Okay, as you did.
As I did.
In 1979.
Yes, so I'm here to testify that he did attend the university and he was a good student. People were being mischievous in the first place because he was a governor for 8 years. Somebody who worked for Mobile for several years and you're contesting that he didn't go to university. How is that possible? I cannot imagine how that is possible. That they are claiming that he didn't go to the... Sometimes the president might be embellished, sometimes, but that does not mean that he didn't attend university. He did attend university. He was a governor for 8 years.
Well, all right. I mean, I don't know if you need a university degree to be a governor, but certainly you do need one to, work at Mobile. So, I mean, Mr. Ogunsoya has definitely caused a lot of reactions as well. Let me take one from Leoma, who wrote, "It's been 23 years since Tinubu's Chicago qualifications were first challenged, and suddenly Duro Jaye Ogunsoya, a public affairs analyst with no digital footprint, suddenly remembers he attended school with Tinubu and used to mock his accent." Well, Nigeria is a funny place. Another Twitter user, Raymond, goes, "A simple Google search of Duro Jaye Ogunsoya shows that this man didn't exist till 2 days ago. No LinkedIn, Facebook, or even Chicago State University link outside his ambiguous claims. Do these clowns think this is the 1980s or 1990s? Information is everywhere and accessible." Well, Raymond, I mean, he may not have a LinkedIn or...
If you come out to say you went to school with somebody, you have to prove it. You came on air, there were no pictures. You came on air, there were not enough proof and everything. He has to be able to come to proof. And part of proving it also means subjecting himself to other media. So he should come to Arise probably. 15 minutes, let's interview him. Yeah. Let's ask him more questions and all of that. And I'm sure he also knows that there's a case currently going on in the court as regards, and let me go back to it, as regards a subpoena by Nauru Eba. Well, that case has now come out to light again,
that petition that we are seeing
and that petition is out there, because some characters said all sorts of lies and shenanigans. So, you see, let's just tell the truth. The truth will set all of us free. The last time, 23 years ago, when this case came up, it was the State House of Assembly that helped quell the tide of the case. Now it's back up again. Let's just full disclosure.
I just wanted to quickly clarify that petition that was up there. It was on September 8th, a response from CSU to Atiku stating that, Tinubu did attend the Chicago State University, as well as the fact that they cannot truly confirm the, originality of his certificate because they consider it as a, one of those, how do you call it, a praise certificate of some sort. So that was that petition up there.
Is that this matter of President Tinubu's academic qualification has been on the table for more than 20 years, since he was governor. Okay, why is it that when he was governor of Lagos State, nobody showed up? So this Duro Jaiye Ogunsoya, or what is his name?
Come to Arise, let us talk.
He was not around
come here.
over 20 years ago. And in any case, if you look at him, he looks quite younger than the president. So,
come to Arise,
maybe it's on the basis of that David Hundeyin is now saying that this witness, this character witness, this classmate witness, is fake. Because David Hundeyin has said that, I'm sure, it will be responded to by interested parties. Okay, when President Buhari was said not to have attended secondary school, he gathered his classmates. They took photographs with him in the villa. Why is this so difficult? When it was Dimeji Bankole's time, within a week, people were in NYSC camp with him, threw pictures out. Okay, this one had to take up to 20 years.
23 years.
I think we have to do something about qualification. Right. Anybody that does not have a basic degree, and anybody whose classmates will show up after 20 years, or whose secondary school classmates will have to come to the villa to validate. Look, that's ridiculous, man.
Right.
In a country where some people have 3 master's degrees, double PhDs, why is it that it's the Division 2 people that will be Division 3 people that will be the ones saying they want to rule Nigeria?
All right, well said, guys. Let's end what's trending. Digital footprint, and not everybody does.
Let's say he's not digitally
But that
savvy.
actually was the rhetoric on social media, whether or not, where did he come from?
So, and it's quite curious, Oji. That's the first thing that came to mind as well when I said, oh, finally someone has come out as a witness to give an interview to not just talk about the fact that they went to university together, but even give a character witness in terms of the kind of student that he was. Now, Mr. Duro Jaiye Ogunsoya can come out as a student to say what he wants to say, but we can't take that as a certificate. We can't take that as records from the university. It's good to see, people, someone come out to testify that you and I were seatmates in university. But beyond that, people have made questions and where are the pictures? Did they not take pictures in 1979? Do we not have records again? Why Chicago State University, not being very forthcoming with regards to information? Yes, they've said, we had to go. Atiku Abubakar has gone to court to try and get them to release information with regards to the educational qualifications of President Bola Tinubu. But this has to go down as one of the most controversial in terms of the credentials of a president in Nigeria. I mean, we have cases like this often, but this is quite interesting. And I think just to put the matter to rest, certificate. Show us evidence of the fact that you went to university. And by the way, the fact that you worked in a certain organization doesn't mean, I'm sure some people will know of Oluyole, where they have said, so it's not Oluwole. Well, that shows I don't patronize their services. Oluyole is about
where you print fake certificates.
Yeah, so I'm just saying that that's not all these things. Just give us the real, that's what Nigerians just want to know the truth.
DJ